Welcome back to Educator.com. We're now going to talk about some new products that Adobe has introduced, and these are known as the Adobe Edge Tools and Services. And I have made some references to these products, but this is a complete listing as of right now for these specific tools and services. So let me give you a quick overview of what these different tools and services are, and these are included with your Creative Cloud subscription. So you have the capability to be able to use any one of these. Now, this course just doesn't have the time to completely go over all of these Edge tools. I just want to make you aware that they're here and you can explore them. We will take a look, and we've already used one of the products within this course. So first of all, we have a product called Edge Animate CC. You can see there all these CC versions, and these are the 4 main products you can download and install through your Creative Cloud subscription. The first one is Edge Animate, and what Edge Animate does is allow you to create compositions or animations for your web pages, but you can also use them in other areas. So I'll talk about Edge Animate. What we're going to do is use a feature within Dreamweaver that allows us to add an Edge Animate composition to our web pages very easily. So Dreamweaver does everything we need in order to work with that. But Edge Animate is the program that actually creates those compositions, and it is a product that's available to you if you wish to explore it more. But it's basically creating an animation. We're going to have that animation as a composition and use Dreamweaver to add it to our web pages. Edge Reflow is a new product. This hooks in with some of the InDesign features specifically, and I'll let you explore that one a little bit more on your own. That one really doesn't apply or have a connection with Dreamweaver per se. Edge Code is a coding product. Once you get very familiar with the code, you can use Dreamweaver, or you can even expand into working in Edge Code. It's more of a coding environment. So if you're accustomed to Dreamweaver and having that design view, Edge Code takes a little bit of getting used to. But it is a new Adobe product you can explore for working with coding on your pages. Edge Inspect is a product that is a very valuable one. This first came out on the Labs website. Labs.adobe.com has some areas where Adobe introduces products kind of in the beta versions. There's no fee for the products on labs.adobe.com, so it's a good place to go and check it out every so often. That's where Edge Inspect began, and it actually had a different name called Shadow. It was changed to Edge Inspect as they've started adding these new tools and services, and now included with your Creative Cloud subscription. What Edge Inspect does is allow you to preview your pages on your desktop, and mobile devices will reflect those same pages automatically. So I can basically work in Dreamweaver, have my page open, go to preview from Dreamweaver, go into the browser, and I can have mobile devices or tablets attached to that or hooked up to it, so whatever I show on my desktop going directly from Dreamweaver, that exact same view will show up in my mobile device or tablet devices. There is a little bit of a setup involved in that, and I'm going to walk you through that exact process. So the 2 products that are specifically we will be working in within Edge are Edge Animate and Edge Inspect. The other one we've already worked in this course, Edge Web Fonts, and I'll do a quick review of that. This particular product allows you to download and work with Adobe Edge fonts, so you can add fonts to your web pages without the user having the need to have them on their system. That opens up a whole new world of design for web folks because we haven't had that capability for very long, and the Edge Web Fonts is very easy to work with because we can hook directly into it through Dreamweaver. Typekit is another product. It's like an expanded version of Edge Web Fonts. This is a separate paid service. So these others come with your Creative Cloud subscription. Typekit does not. So that is a premium font subscription service. And PhoneGap Build allows you to build and create websites in Dreamweaver, and then you can tie into the PhoneGap Build service, and that particular build service will help you package up your web pages into apps to be able to use within the app stores on the various systems. So PhoneGap Build is designed to work as a packaging process to assist you in taking Dreamweaver and actually creating basic web pages in Dreamweaver and then getting them packaged up in a way that can be used within the app stores for iOS or Android or a few of the others. So PhoneGap Build is an exciting service that is available within Dreamweaver. It's a bit beyond the scope of this course, but I wanted to make you aware of it. So those are the 7 Adobe Edge tools and services that are available right now. Typekit is a separate service. The rest of these are all included with your Creative Cloud subscription. So feel free to go out and explore some of those. Now let me show you how you can add that within your Creative Cloud subscription. And in the listing, once you've signed into the Creative Cloud and have hooked up to your account, within the Apps area, you can see this is how I can go ahead and set up some of these services. And you can see it also tells me if they're up to date or not. So here is Edge Animate CC for Creative Cloud. Here is Edge Inspect for Creative Cloud. I'm going to walk through adding a composition using Dreamweaver and also taking a look at working with, setting up, and previewing within a tablet device using Edge Inspect, and I'll explain the process of getting that set up for you. But those are the Adobe Edge products and tools and services that are available to you with your Creative Cloud subscription. It's a very exciting time having access to so many of these different tools, and Dreamweaver is tying into them very easily, which makes it all the better for working with these individual apps. So those are the Edge tools and services that are available through your Creative Cloud subscription service and Dreamweaver. I think you'll find these are very handy. Make sure that you explore some of these particular features on your own, including those we won't be working with through this course.